Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry if very spontaneous and very informal ng intro na to kasi I forgot to film my intro kanina kasi after I filmed my tutorial, na-excite ako and nag-picture agad. So hey yeah, it's your girl Booya, and for this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to get the Beyonce curls. If you wanna learn how to get it, then keep on watching. First up, you want to detangle your hair kasi mahirap i-style yung buhok kapag nagtatangle-tangle siya and it's all over the place. So you want to straighten it up first. I like to use a big tooth comb kasi hindi siya masakit pag dinidetangle yung buhok. First, I'm just combing through the ends and then I go up. By the way guys, I use a styling mousse to curl my hair. But right now, wala siya dito, nawala ko siya. But sometimes I also don't use a styling mousse just because yung hair ko patay na siya. Even though I don't use a styling mousse to prep my hair before curling, my hair can still last the whole day. Pero pag healthy yung hair nyo, I think kailangan nyo talaga ng styling mousse or preparation. So with that said, let's start styling the hair. So first up, I take my chopsticks. Yan, mga extra chopsticks ko to sa bahay. So, ginagamit ko to to pick up my Hindi ko ginagamit to pick up my hair, but I use it to part my hair. Ayun, I get my chopsticks and first, half bun ko siya. And then yung chopsticks na to, I basically just twist it around and then boom. Ayan siya. So, and then I also divide it into two. So, ito po yung curling rod na ginagamit ko. I bought this from Swesh. I don't know how to pronounce it. This curling iron was actually recommended by my friend, Megan. Hello, girl. So, there are different sizes for this specific curling iron. So, meron small, medium, and large. This one is a medium, so medyo little tighter yung curls. And actually guys, yung medium size, it's perfect to achieve those Beyonce curls. Ito po yung on tsaka off. Hindi pa siya nag-heat up pag red. And you can adjust the temperature here, so you just switch it up and then I turn it on. Pag nagbe-blink siya ng ganito, meaning it's heating up pa. So yan na po, it stopped blinking and nag-green na siya. That means it's ready to go and na-reach niya na yung desired temperature level ko. So first, I take the back section of my hair. I put the curling iron at the back. And I curl it outwards. Remember, you want to curl your hair outwards kasi when you look at Beyonce's hair, and pa-outwards yung curl niya. If you curl inwards kasi, it will look a bit vintagey. Manipis lang po yung sections na kino-curl ko. Kasi if it's thick, like this one is actually too thick. So, I want to lessen it. Kasi it's gonna make the curls tighter. So, curl, twist it outwards. By the way guys, tip, when you're curling the back section of your hair, yung curling rod nyo dapat nandito din sa likod. Okay? Kasi pag dito, sa front, nakuday! Yung face ninyo. Only put the curling rod pag nandito ka na sa front na section. Pero if you're doing the back section of your hair, always put the curling rod sa likod. So this is my hair freshly curled. So I am just gonna let this cool down for a few seconds. Then we're gonna proceed to the next step. So now that the heat from my hair has cooled down, I'm gonna comb through it using this comb. So this is gonna make your curls a little less tight. You can also use your hands actually better yung hands. Mas mabilis. And then to add volume, I'm gonna use Dove's dry shampoo. Yung volume and fullness nila na dry shampoo. I'm just gonna target this area. And then I'm doing it per section. And what I like to do again is comb through my hair. Ang volume. From zero to Beyonce agad yung buhok natin, diba? Also, if you want your curls to last longer, then you can always use a setting spray. So, my setting spray is Gatsby's Set and Keep Spray. So, I'm just gonna... Boom! Hair is set and ready to go. So ayan po, that's it for today's video. If you like this tutorial, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more video requests or any comments, then please do enter them down below. Just remember, no hate, just love.